Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to try to do something with our Google Drive and see how well we can share a document together. So I'm in my Google Drive right now. We're going to have to break this up into a couple separate jobs. So the first thing I want you to do as a group, while you're sitting up here on the floor, I want you to sit and talk to the person next to you about the 5 best things you've done at this school since you've been here in 3rd grade. Okay, I know a lot of you will think of things that you've recently done, but try to think back too. That will take maybe 5 minutes. While those 5 minutes are happening, I'll have Ms. Miller pick one of you to do this next job. So that person's going to have to go into their Google Drive, click Create, and go to Presentation. Once they're out here, they're going to do two things. The first thing they're going to do is they get to pick the background. So I'm just going to pick this light gradient. And the next thing they should do is put their initials on this slide. This is just to show that this slide belongs to them. I'm just going to make this text box small. Stick it up here in the corner. Now that's telling everybody in the class, don't touch this slide, it's mine. Okay, so I got that job done. The next thing that person should do is click on the share button. Title this the name of your teacher. So I'll just put Mitchell in here for now. And hit save. Now I want this document to be shared with everybody. So they'll need to start typing in some names. The good thing is you won't have to type in entire names. For instance, I'll just type in a name here, John, and you can see all the Johns are going to start to show up on my list here. And put an H there. Oops. And I can see all the Johns that I have on my list. And then you just click on them. So let's say that guy's in the class. Let's say we'll look for me. There's me. And you just keep doing that for everybody in the class. Once you have the entire list done, you're going to get rid of this check because we don't want to notify them via email because we don't have email. And click OK. I'm not going to click OK because I don't really want to share this with those people, but right now we'll pretend that I did. Now, at this point, everybody should go back to their computers and start logging on. You should be done with your 5 minutes of deciding what your 5 favorite things. When you get to your Google Drive account, you're going to do something a little different. You're going to click on the Shared with Me tab. And in here, you should see the word Mitchell. So whoever in your class has been in charge of that has now saved it all. When you click on that, you will get the PowerPoint or that presentation that you just saw. Inside that presentation, I want each and every one of you to add your favorite thing at MSS over the past 4 years. Okay? Most of this stuff works just like it. So if you get on here and you see a slide with some initials on it, you click Insert, New Slide. This one becomes yours. Oops, I clicked the wrong thing, sorry. Inserts, New Slide. And this one becomes yours. Throw your initials up there. And now this is your slide to design any way you want. The only thing you cannot do is you cannot change the background. Do not change the background because that will change other people's backgrounds if you don't know what you're doing. So right now, take the time, images, couple sentences, and before you know it, we will have a 24 slide long presentation done in no time. Okay? Take your time. You can add images the way you've always have. You can copy and paste. You can come out here to insert an image and you can search for them wherever you want. Or I like this tool over here, the research tool, is I'll just type in whatever I want and click image, and I'll get that image, and it will load it right into my Google Drive, and I'll also have the information that I don't have to worry about saving those website addresses anymore. Good luck. Have fun with this. And like I said, just remember, don't change the backgrounds because that will frustrate the people you're working with. Take care. Have a good one.